In this section, I want to talk a little bit about why mobile editing is actually an effective replacement for editing on your laptop or editing on your PC in this day and age. And at the top of that list is that industries are changing. And I think mobile editing is absolutely the future of editing in terms of professional photographers and things like that. And the reason I say that is because if you look at technology and where it's heading, look at laptops, for example. They're getting skinnier and they're turning more into things like tablets. And the divide between smartphones and laptops are slowly closing every day. They're getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And with editing software getting smarter and more powerful, you don't need an incredibly fast, powerful computer to edit photos. And it's my belief that technology is going to continue to adapt, and the laptop and the mobile phone are eventually going to become one. So why not start now? Mobile phones are good enough, and there's many other reasons why. But this is at the top of the list in terms of the future of technology. I think smartphones are there. They can do so much that laptops can do already. Why not use them? So the next reason why I think mobile editing is so powerful in this day and age is efficiency. I find that it's so efficient for me to edit on my phone. When I'm out and about, maybe I'm waiting in a cafe or I want to take a break from my work, I can just pull out my phone. It's always in my pocket. I can pull out my phone, open up Lightroom, and edit. And I have all my photos there, and I can do everything that I need instead of, sitting down, opening up my computer, opening up Lightroom. It just feels like it's more efficient to edit on my phone than it is to edit on my laptop, which is pretty amazing how far this technology has come. But the fact that we have these mini computers in our pockets all the time makes it very efficient for us. Maybe you're at home with your family and you're kind of bored. Pull up your phone and start editing photos. You don't have to have that laptop with you or that computer. You can do it all on your phone. So I find that my editing process is very efficient when I edit on my iPhone, simply because it's so readily available. And with that, I also find that editing on my iPhone is very, very comfortable. I don't have to sit at a desk and edit. I can lay in my bed and edit, and I do. I must say I edit a lot of my photos in my bed or on my couch, just chilling. I'll just turn the lights off and I'll just dive into it. And also, we use our phones so much. We're very comfortable with our phones in terms of navigating with our phones with our thumbs. So the editing softwares that we're going to be talking about today are actually pretty intuitive, and they're not too difficult to use on your phone. And that's simply because we're so used to using our phones so much. Unfortunately, a lot of us use our phones too much, but that opens up the possibility for us to be very comfortable on these apps that might seem unintuitive, but actually they're very, very intuitive and easy for us to use. And the next reason is actually one of the most important reasons on this list, and that's color accuracy. Most people consume media on their phones nowadays. Most of us consume images on Instagram or Facebook, or, we even surf the web on our iPhones or our smartphones nowadays, YouTube, everything, right? When you're editing on your phone, you're seeing the color for how it's going to look for most people out there as well. When you're editing on your computer, most people aren't consuming media on their computers anymore. They're consuming it on their phone. So you can see a more accurate representation of how your photo is going to look on a phone when you're editing it on a phone. So I found that I make less adjustments before I go posting my photo when I edit it on my phone than when I edit on my computer. I have to make changes once it gets to my phone because it doesn't look right. Maybe the contrast isn't strong enough or something like that. And I edit on a Mac, and Macs have very color accurate screens, but most of us consume our media on mobile phones. So why not edit on a mobile phone so that you're getting the most accurate color, the most accurate representation of that image that others are going to be seeing as well. And the last reason is accessibility. Everybody seems to have a smartphone in this day and age, and not everybody has a computer. And finally, there's apps available that allow you to edit your photos at the same level that a computer can. And I think that's amazing. The fact that people anywhere can edit amazing photos, despite not having a computer, just using only their smartphone. So accessibility, many more people can edit on their smartphones than they can on their computers. So that's the last reason.